the first archaeological, anthropological, sociological, cultural, historical anthology film of the Black community in Memphis, Tennessee called Orange Mound. Orange Mound is America's Black community. Orange Mound is the first planned community in America built for Blacks by Blacks. The roots of Orange Mound's history dates back to two Black churches started in 1879. Unknown and untold is the story of Orange Mound. The story is told via film. Orange Mound, a Black lecture, critical race theory. Be the first to see the worldwide premiere of the film anywhere and everywhere on YouTube. The worldwide premiere starts Saturday, March 26, 2022 at 7 p.m. Central Time. We are encouraging watch parties, whereas friends and family can learn and enjoy the dynamic Black history of Orange Mound. Orange Mound is not just Memphis history. Orange Mound is America's history. The film was written, produced, directed, edited, narrated, and uploaded by Memphis' first independent feature filmmaker, Anthony Elmore. Elmore is a community activist who has lived in Orange Mound for 50 years. Elmore's film is not just a movie. Elmore's film is a movement, whereas the film takes on Memphis white supremacy, racism, and black-on-black racism, whereas the film inspires a nationwide movement to build in Orange Mound the National Memphis Museum of African American History and Culture. The film notes that we Blacks in America were not just Africans, but we are Afro-Indigenous in that archaeology proves that Blacks were in America. We were the people who Columbus mistaken for India because he thought he was in southern India, and we Black people were already in America. The film notes that Orange Mound is the most American community in America. Orange Mound is associated with the Civil Rights Movement. Orange Mound is the only community in America that has 6 churches over 100 years old. Orange Mound is associated with over 60 gold records, the birth of rock and roll, Elvis Presley, the Beatles, 5 NFL rings, several NBA titles, the soul of Stax in Motown, 1 Oscar, 3 gold medals, 2 world fighting champions, America's top orthopedic spinal surgeon, and a nuclear physicist. This is a 3-hour movie that has so much information it is impossible to take on at one time. The film is free. You can see it on YouTube for academic study, and it's produced in a way that provides entertainment. Plan your watch party if you're inviting friends and family to learn not just about Black Memphis history, but learn about America's untold Black Memphis history of Orange Mound. Plan your watch party and post a picture on Facebook about the story of the historic Orange Mound, a preserved America community.